Ever feel like your skin's staging a rebellion? Soap Collections to the rescue. This handcrafted honey goat milk soap is like a spa day in skin-repairing soap bars. Just lather, rinse, and glow. Packed with skin-loving goodies like botanical extracts, antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential oils, it's like your skin's personal hype squad. And the best part? It won't break the bank. Ready to pamper your skin? Dive into the collection now of curcumin, oatmeal, aloe vera, rice, lavender, chamomile, calendula, activated charcoal, neem, lemongrass, tea tree, green tea, lemon, sweet orange, sea salt, and many more. Supply is limited, so get yours today and save 20% and get free shipping today.